Today I want to show you how you can achieve this fluid text in Divhunt. So let me just show you right now. I want to show you how you can achieve this in Divhunt. Right, as you can see, the font size grows with the browser width and reduces with the browser width. So I think it's a nice to have when you're designing a website, so you can avoid having snappy font sizes. As you can see with this one, let me just show you right now. As you can see with the first one, just look at the comparison. This one will snap when it reaches this viewpoint and remains like that. Meanwhile, the second one is going to grow and shrink with the browser width. So yeah, I think this is something nice to have when it comes to designing a website. So I'm just going to show you how I achieved that in Divhunt. So basically, like that's the thing in Divhunt, just to note, if you're using the browser for the first the builder for the first time, at times you need to select something, you need to do a right click, just a bug that's around in Divhunt. At times to select something, you just need to do a right click instead of a left one. So yeah, let's get back to what we're doing. Just hide this one for now and just show you how I achieved that in Divhunt. So basically I use this tool which is called which is a clamp generator. You have the link in the description. Perhaps this is the link. If you can't have it in the description, but this is the link. You just search for clamp generator, and what you're going to do is you're going to look at the browser width right now is 1920. You are going to go to the clamp generator and have it here, maximum value of the browser width. No, this is the maximum browser width here, which is 1920. Then you will add here the next browser width, which is here 991. You have it here 991. Then you are going to have what you want the font size to be when it comes on this viewpoint, and what you want as font size when it's on this viewpoint, right? So let's say here I want 120 pixels, and when I'm here I want it to be at 70. Then what you will do is you need to set the rem, which is obviously 16 pixels. I highly recommend you don't change this one because it's an industry standard when it comes to web development. So yeah, don't change this one. But yeah, you can just generate it, and this is the code you're going to add in when it comes to font sizes. So you're going to go over here with the H1 and come to typography font size. As you can see here, I have it already, and you just paste it here. So something I love about Divhunt is that it incorporates this type of CSS properties which you normally have when you're coding. But yeah, in Divhunt you can have it. You can also take the CSS properties over here just to look at what's going on. If ever, let's say let me say I add some padding to this element, let's say 15 pixels here, just 15 pixels here, I can always go here. And as you can see, I have all the CSS properties available to me here just to check and make sure that everything is okay. Yeah, so that's it. So now when you have it like this, it makes your text comes fluid. You don't need to worry about if you are, let's say, on something like 1,000 pixels. If somebody is on a browser width of 1,000 pixels, you see the text will always follow the viewpoint width. So yeah, it's nice to have. Another thing you need to note is that normally you can just set this one for, let's say, you can go from here directly to 480. You can go from 1920 to 480 directly. Let me show you. So I'm going to go over here to 480, and I want this font size to be, let's say 30. Let's say around here 30 pixels, right? So generate the clamp, copy this, and head over to Divhunt and paste it here, right? It will still work. It will still work when you are in the preview or the live website. The live website and the preview, it will still work, right? As you can start. No, I have something set. Sorry, the reason why it's not working is because I had something set for this one. Because I made a duplicate of the first heading. So yeah, I will just show you. As you can see, it will still work, right? Until I reach the 480 mark, it won't go down anymore. But yeah, as you can see, it still works when you are when you do like this in the preview or on the live website. The issue is that in the builder itself, it doesn't work because as they haven't incorporate that in the builder. So to achieve that, to make sure that it's visible or easy to see in the builder, what you need to do is to go step by step as I did earlier. So you go from this viewpoint to this viewpoint, then from this viewpoint to the next one, and henceforward. So it makes sure that this is visible in the builder. So right here I do have these two. So let me just show you what I mean. So we're going to go back here, 1922, one. Let's see, 119, and I want it at 70. So I'm going to generate a clamp, copy this, get over to Divhunt, paste it on the font size. It works. Then I'm going to go over to the clamp calculator again, have it here at 991 70, and here I want it at, let's say, 45, just for the sake. And here it will be 767. I'll generate this one, copy it, and then go over to Divhunt. Get over to the next breakpoint, add it here, then go over to this breakpoint, go over to the clamp calculator, have it here. Next breakpoint is this. Then I want a 480 here, then get over from 45 to let's say 30. Let's say 30 over here. So I'm just going to copy this, generate this and copy. Get over to diff and go to this breakpoint and just add it here. I will just add it here. And as you can see, obviously in the builder, it becomes more easy to see what's happening, what's going on. And it will be, yeah, it's a little bit of more CSS than you need to have, but yeah, it's in case you're, let's say, building something like a template or a website for a client, it makes sense that you want them to be able to see what's going on in the builder. So that's just something you can go around with, and will help you achieve what you're trying to do. Just give me a second. What the fuck is that? Okay. So there you have it. Fully responsive and free typography. Hope it helps you achieve responsive designs, and see you in the next one, guys.